Hi everyone, myself Jagandev. Uh, this video is especially made it for the Oracle Apex beginners. Some of the Oracle Apex beginners will not aware about some free instance has been provided by Oracle Apex. Okay, let's go to the video. So if you want to create some sample workspace page for your site, you need to visit oracleapex.oracle.com. So I'm just going to click apex.oracle.com. Here it will ask for get started for free, and also it will give for signing. If you have the credentials, then you can able to sign in there. So in this case, I'm just going to create a new workspace. So here we need to request a free workspace. So I'm just going to click here. It will redirect me to another window. It will ask me for the password, username. I put this Jagan Ian, and I just given my email ID, and I just given as a workspace channel as Apex channel, and I'm just going to select the country as India. So this is for my personal usage, so I've just click select as personal. So are you new to Oracle Apex Application Express? So I'm not new one to this Oracle Apex, but when your perspective, you can select it as yes. But in my case, I just selected as no. So do you plan to use this workspace for a university class or training? So no. Click the next. So it is asking for some other questions like why are you requesting this service? So you can put your own comments. So in these comments, I just put it as to learn Oracle Apex and try to create sample applications. So it will ask for the accept terms. I just selected as yes and just click the next. Okay. So you need to know these three things: your email ID and workspace channel, and just save and put it in one notepad, because these are the important things to be in login. So I'm just click the submit request. Once you submit the request, you will receive an email to activate your workspace. So in my case, I given my own personal Gmail ID. So here you can able to get like action required. Hello Jagan Dev, your workspace has been requested for approval. So what you need to like just click the create workspace. So once you click the Apex itself creating the request workspace for yourself, and it will ask to continue your set. So here you can set your own password. So the password has been changed. Now I can able to log in. So once you log into application, you can able to set three kind of modes. Like you can able to set your dark mode. If you want to go for light mode, you can select light mode, or else if you go for automatic, you can set it as automatic. uh, if you are a beginner, right, so you want to explore, right, to write a SQL queries and PLSQL queries. For that, ApexX provided some options called as SQL Workshop. So here you can able to create your own query. In this case, I'm just clicking the open into new lab tab. It will provide you one SQL tab. So here you can able to write your own query. For example, I will tell you like, if you want to create one table, create sample underscore tbl uh, number ID name market. Likewise, you can able to likewise you can able to create your own table, and you can able to query the data, everything. If you want to visit all the objects, you can simply click the object browser, and also you can able to see your own objects. As of now, it is a fresh instance, so there will be no objects will be found here. If you are whatever you have created in this SQL comments, and it will be automatically visible here. To learn or improvise your SQL and PLSQL skills, these SQL comments will be more useful. Thank you for watching.